I want to talk for a minute if you're feeling stuck with a house that you need to sell. And when I say stuck, I really mean it, because for many people, it's not just a house that we're talking about. We're talking about stress. We're talking about a reminder of something that potentially went wrong. We're talking about a situation that's feeling heavy on you and maybe feeling a little bit heavier every single day. Maybe the house needs repairs. Maybe the house doesn't need small repairs. Maybe the house needs big repairs. We're talking roof, foundation issues, mechanicals, HVAC, electric, plumbing. Maybe you're just dealing with something where, it's a house that hasn't been updated in many decades, or maybe your life changed. It could be a probate situation. It could be a foreclosure type of situation. It could be a divorce. It could be an inherited property that you've never asked for, and now it's kind of adding responsibility and adding things onto your plate. Or maybe you're just tired. Maybe you're tired of tenants. Maybe you're tired of maintenance. Maybe you're tired of putting money into a house that you're not getting anything back from. And here's the situation that I want to communicate extremely clearly for you. So bad situations do happen to good people. We see it all the time. And at Sell House Columbus, we exist exactly for situations just like this. So we buy houses as is. And that phrase gets thrown around quite a bit. People say, hey, I buy houses as is. And I'm going to explain very clearly what that means. As is means no repairs, zero. So there's no trash out, there's no contractors walking through the property, there's no inspections and buyers walking through and nitpicking your property, there's no showings, there's no open houses, there's no realtor fees, you don't have to paint, you don't have to replace flooring, you don't have to mess with the kitchen, you don't have to, even turn on the utilities in many times. You don't have to deal with tenants, you don't have to deal with code violations, you don't have to do anything that's going to make the house go into retail condition or anything like that. We buy houses exactly the way it sits right now, as it is right here today. Even if the property is outdated, or if there's damage, or if there's liens against the property, we work with a great title company who's local. They'll help you identify any liens on the property that need to get paid off at the closing. We can help with all that. People call us when they want us to explain things in such a way where there's no pressure. So that's exactly what we do. Our process is very simple. It's designed to remove stress, never add to your stress. And you could reach out to us, you call us, you text us, you fill out a form on our website. We'll set up a time to talk that works for you. And we're going to have a real conversation. So this is not a sales pitch. It's just us asking a few questions about the property. We're going to listen, right? We're going to share our experience with you. And we're going to look at the situation as a whole. And then we're going to take a look at the house. So after that, we're going to make you a fair cash offer. There's no games. There's no bait and switch or changing things on you. There's no renegotiating unless something truly unexpected was to come up throughout the process. And here's something that's super important. There's no obligations to you. So if our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If the offer does not work, that's okay too. You're never locked into something just by simply communicating with us. There's no pressure, there's no hidden fees, and we can work on your timeline. And this is something that's more important than people tend to realize. If you need to close fast, we can close fast. If you need a flexible closing or you need more time, we can accommodate that as well. Sometimes we work with people who need to stay in the property for a short time after the sale. We could accommodate that in some instances as well. So it's all about giving you control back and giving you options and giving you peace of mind. So we've helped hundreds of homeowners all across Ohio. We've worked with people who are experiencing probate situations or foreclosure situations, divorce situations, inherited properties that they didn't want to or just couldn't manage and take on the responsibility of that. And the way we operate is clear communication from beginning to end. We have honest conversations. There's never any runaround. There's no disappearing act after the contract is signed. And you could reach us at any time throughout this process. You can talk to us, and you're always going to know exactly what's going on. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, hey, I don't know if I'm quite ready yet, that's perfectly fine as well. You don't have to be ready right now. You can still reach out to us and ask questions, explore your options. There's no cost to you just to talk, and sometimes having clarity and having an idea of a plan moving forward when you are ready is just going to allow you to breathe again and provide you relief. So if you're thinking about selling a house in Columbus, Ohio, or anywhere across Ohio, and you want a simple and honest solution, you can reach us, call or text 614-300-5151, or fill out a form on our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. And even if you're just starting the process, even if you're months away, or even if you're just looking for information, we're here to help you. And if you have a house that you need to sell, we're ready when you are.